Hello, today you're looking at a rapid 2000 amp 9 volt air-cooled rectifier brought to you by Lanco. This unit is wired for 480 volt 3-phase. It's in very good working condition. We'll turn it on here in a second so you can see and hear it go. Take a look inside here. This unit does include a remote board on the right hand side there for PLC controls. If you want to run it that way, you can. Otherwise, it does come with a new remote that we do not have pictured, but it will be included. Overall dimensions, 28 inches long by 43 inches wide by 60 inches high. We'll now turn it on so you can see and hear it go. Over here, take a look at the O-scope wave. Very nice quiet machine. If you're interested, please contact Lanco at 888-248-8500 or visit us online at lanco-corp.com. Have a great day.